Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about dairy farming and its importance to our ecosystem and our daily lives. First, let's define what dairy farming is. Dairy farming is the practice of raising cows, pigs, or sheep for their milk, meat, and wool. It is a major industry that provides milk, cheese, butter, and other dairy products to people all over the world. Dairy farming is important because it helps to produce food for a growing population. In fact, the demand for dairy products is expected to increase by 50% by 2050. This means that we need to find new ways to produce these products sustainably and efficiently. One of the ways dairy farming helps to produce food is by using pastures to graze cows. Pastures are natural areas where cows can graze on grass and other plants. This helps to keep cows healthy and reduces the need for antibiotics and other drugs. Dairy farming also helps to produce energy by producing milk. Milk is a byproduct of the cheese and butter production process. By producing milk, we are able to create a source of energy that can be used to power homes, farms, and other businesses. But dairy farming is not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the issue of animal waste. Cows produce a lot of waste, including manure. Manure is the leftover waste from the cow's digestion. This waste can be harmful to the environment if it is not properly managed. To address this issue, many dairy farms are using anaerobic digestion to process the waste. Anaerobic digestion is a process where waste is broken down without the need for oxygen. This helps to reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills and helps to protect the environment. Another challenge of dairy farming is the issue of climate change. Cows are a major source of greenhouse gas emissions. To reduce their impact on the environment, many dairy farms are using renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, to power their operations. In conclusion, dairy farming is an important industry that helps to produce food and energy for a growing population. However, it is not without its challenges, including the issue of animal waste and climate change. By finding new ways to manage these challenges, we can ensure that dairy farming is sustainable and efficient for the future. Thank you for listening.